Welcome to the amazing blackberry fruit, health benefits, uses, and facts. Prepare to discover everything about this delicious dark berry. Blackberries are more than just a tasty treat. They are packed with incredible goodness. But first, let's appreciate their beauty. Just look at these. The deep color and juicy texture of ripe blackberries are truly captivating. This is the star of our show. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from their powerful health benefits and where they grow, to the best ways to enjoy them. Let's start with nutrition. Blackberries are truly a nutritional powerhouse, offering immense value in a small package. Blackberries are high in antioxidants, fighting free radicals in your body. Plus, they're loaded with essential vitamins like C and K, crucial for overall well-being. The nutrients in blackberries support heart health and strengthen your immune system, making them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Now let's talk about where these fantastic berries come from and the environment they thrive in. Blackberries grow naturally across many regions globally. They thrive in temperate climates and are typically ready for harvest during the summer months. Fun fact, blackberries grow on thorny bushes, which makes harvesting a little tricky, but totally worth it for the delicious fruit. Blackberries are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Let's explore the countless ways you can incorporate them into your meals and treats. They are a baking favorite. From classic blackberry pies and crumbles to tarts and muffins, their tart sweet flavor shines when baked. For fresh consumption, throw them into a smoothie, mix them into yogurt, or simply enjoy them straight out of the bowl for a healthy snack. To get the most out of your blackberries, knowing when and how to pick and store them is essential. Blackberries are ripe when they are a deep, dull black color and easily detach from the bush. Don't pick berries that are still red or glossy black. Store blackberries unwashed in the refrigerator. Wash them gently just before you plan to eat them to maintain their freshness and prevent mold. We've covered a lot about this incredible fruit. It's clear that the blackberry is a true gift from nature. To summarize, blackberries are delicious, loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, great for your heart, and versatile in the kitchen. So what are you waiting for? Pick up some blackberries today and start incorporating this amazing fruit into your diet. Thanks for watching.